there, Rebecca Vendetti here, professional blogger, content marketer, network marketer, all those fun things. And I'm here today to give you a little bit of advice on what to say in a video. So, who struggles with videos? Raise your hand. You can't see my hand. Here it is. I do. Videos honestly don't come natural to any of us. When I first started doing videos, I took about a dozen takes of my first video, and every single time I started the camera, I got so nauseous I felt physically ill. It's just about practice, and practice makes perfect, as they say. And none of us are probably ever going to be perfect, but it gets easier. But the purpose of this video right now is not exactly to reassure you, but to say, what do you say in a video? So even once you get up the courage to open up your phone or your laptop and shoot a video, what do you say? So I've got 3 things for you. 3 suggestions. The first one is solve problems. Do some research in your niche market. Find out what problems they're struggling with and solve them. Do a video about it. The end. So I'll give you an example. So say you are in the all-natural organic skincare niche and you want to talk about let's say all-natural anti-aging products. Now what you're going to do in your video, first of all, do not sell. You are not doing the video to do a product review or to say how great this product is. Those videos do have their place, but the best videos are going to be the ones where you educate. So go out and find some, say, all-natural tips, DIY tips for all-natural skincare. Talk about aloe, for instance. I know that aloe is an amazing all-natural ingredient for anti-aging. Talk about the toxic chemicals in so many anti-aging products. Talk about the ingredients that are in the product that you're selling. Do an in-depth review on the ingredients. And then you can introduce the product at the end. So the point is solve problems. And this works with any niche. Go out, whatever you're selling, whatever you're involved in, whatever you're passionate about, do some research, find problems that people are having, and solve them. Number 2 is be real. Just be yourself. Don't worry about how you look or how you sound. I know it takes a long time to get over that, but trust me, if you are providing valuable content, people will not care what you look like. They will not care if you have a face for radio, as they say. They won't care if your hair is messy or if you're in your office and there's an ugly wall behind you. The most important thing is just solving problems and being real. What's really important about being you and being authentic is you are building trust with your video. The more people see your face and hear your voice, the more they'll come to feel like they know you, and the more likely they will be to do business with you. So I know it's super hard, but just relax and be yourself. And honestly, the worst thing that can happen in a video is you totally screw it up, but then you're no worse off than when you started. If you hadn't done it, you would get no prospects, no leads, no sales. If you do it, best case scenario, it's an amazing success and you get a ton of followers and a ton of people want to join your business. Worst case scenario, you've got no more leads or sales or prospects than you started with. But that's honestly the worst that can happen. So number 2, be real, be you. And number 3 is add value and sell later. So this is part of the solving problems issue. You want to add value, and that just means find a problem and solve it. And what's most important is you don't sell first. So you go in trying to educate, entertain, or inspire. And the thing that I find easiest to do is to educate, because you just learn something and then you teach it. But if you educate first, then sales will come later. If you try to sell first, then you are going to fall flat on your face. I promise you. So if you add value, like I said, the example of the skincare, all-natural skincare, talk to people about aloe, talk to people about the problems with parabens in skincare, just educate them. Give people information that they are looking for, and then you direct them to your home, which really should be your blog, but if you don't have a blog, it might be Facebook, it might be Twitter, it might be YouTube, but direct them to your hub, to where you have all your information, where they can find you later. And the more value that you add, the more they will come to like, know, and trust you, the more they will see you as an authority. And then when they want something that's, say, it's hard to say off the top of my head. If they want something that is something like, say, all natural, anti-aging skincare, in this example, they're going to say, hey, I know somebody who knows a whole ton about that, and they're going to go and find you, and then bam, sales. All right, so three tips of what to say in a video, and just go out and do it. All right, happy marketing.